So a lot has changed in the year. It's been 1 year since we actually spoke on
Yeah.
this podcast, and I so much has changed. So I guess my first question to you is, what in the market, if anything, have you seen change?
The market now is a little bit challenging when it comes to entry level GRC roles. And what I mean by that is although they may be entry level GRC roles, they're still asking and looking for experience. And it's a little bit more challenging to get in because they're looking for things like IT experience or SOC, because the real need is to understand the technology, and we can't just focus on the framework or the security regulation that we're trying to get the company or what that industry is requiring in terms of compliance. And so just regurgitating regulations or controls is no longer enough. We can get AI to do that. And so now it's understanding what the technology is, and then how do we then marry up those requirements in a way that makes sense for the business. And then we can also communicate that to the ones that are actually implementing these controls. So we're talking about the engineers and the software developers. How do we translate that to them as opposed to just spitting out this, sometimes this antiquated or legacy terms or legacy controls that really don't reflect what technology is actually doing. And so what I'm seeing is in the GRC space is they're looking for somebody that knows the technology, that understands how to translate the compliance requirements into actual technology tasks and actions, and then also be able to facilitate and empower the business.
Absolutely. I'm seeing the same, along those same lines, what you just said. The role, especially ISO roles, speaking specifically for the government sector, what I'm seeing is when you get in as a GRC person, they're kind of expecting you to know more and have some sort of technical hands-on experience, because you're being pulled into meetings with technical folks. Not just that, but they'll a lot of times they'll dual hat you, meaning you're not just doing GRC like policies or standards. They'll pull you in to do a little bit of like looking at logs or something like that. It'll be some random other thing, which is why it's really important. Not to say you can't learn it on the job, but you have to know enough to be able to at least start. You have to have a good foundation. So
Yeah.
the hands-on IT piece is what I'm seeing them wanting you to know a bit more. And that's in the last few jobs. It's been getting more and more. They're wanting more like a technical background. And that's not to say that you can't get one, right? You don't have
Right.
to get upset about that if you don't have one. You can get one. But I'm telling you, like, in order to compete in the market, it just seems like that's one of the best, things you can do.